Hi, I'm Mike Coleman, project manager and sales engineer here at Excel Fluid Group. We focus on prepackaged pump stations where we build the entire package here in-house. That it could include wet well, pumps, buildings if necessary, and control panels. We are a UL 508A, 698A certified panel shop, so we do a lot of panels here, build them ourselves, and we have an in-house electrical engineering team that can do the design of those panels and make sure they work according to specifications.
Hi, my name's Nick Cadge. I'm an electrical engineer here at Excel Fluid Group. Here at Excel for electrical capabilities, we create electrical one-line drawings, load schematics, conduit schedules, electrical panel schematics. We are a UL panel shop, so after we create those drawings, we will send that over to our production team. Our production team will fabricate those electrical panels from scratch. We also do in-house PLC and HMI programming, so we can do the full capability of that panel and control design for those pump station and water boosters. If the pump station or water booster gets to be a bigger size, we do prefabricated buildings where we're also designing those conduit schedules, layout of the building, and all those panels and buildings will be tested, so have the confidence that when it gets shipped to you, that those panels and buildings are functioning.
As a control panel technician here at Excel Fluid Group, we build all our UL 508A panels in-house. This is our control panel. This is our low voltage breaker panel. This is our high voltage breaker panel. The automatic transfer switch, the switches from the generator, from the utility source power in case there's a power outage. We have our VFDs that control our booster pumps. When this package is dropped off, after we finish all our in-house testing and powering, you should be able to put it on site and have it up and running within a matter of a couple hours.
We hope this overview has given you a better idea of our electrical and control panel abilities and how they fit into our overall holistic packaged pump station approach. Thanks, and we look forward to working with you on your next pump station.